Welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi. I'm hyped because we are doing a hair video today. So I got some new products. I did not pay for them, just a full disclosure. They did come in PR, but y'all know me. If you don't know me, I don't lie for free hair products. So we're gonna keep it honest as always. Full wash day from beginning to end, kinda. I don't think Olaplex has styling products, but if they do, I don't have them. So this is just like a wash day type of video, and I'm hyped because y'all have been asking for more hair care. I have been doing less and less of my hair these days, so I'm happy to bring you guys this video. My hair was fresh off of a protective style, so it was in need, honey, and I do mean need of some TLC. So let's just dive right into it. No need for long talk. And if you're new here, join us, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, all that YouTube stuff. Let's dive into the products. So they go in order. I have number 0, number 3, number 4, and number 5 here. And that's what I used in today's video. We took out our faux locks. It took me way too freaking long to do that. And my hair was tangled, but also stretched and really easy to apply product to because it was so stretched. So starting off with the Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment number 0. It's supposed to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect all hair types. When I hear all hair types, I'm always like, but will it work for me? So let's just see. So you're supposed to apply slowly to dry hair, distributing evenly from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave on for 10 minutes. So I want to read a little bit about what this is supposed to do. I think it's important, right, to see if it actually gives us what they claim to be giving us. Olaplex is a proven hair reparative system trusted by stylists worldwide, which I have seen. This intensive bond building treatment is best used as a 2-part system with number 3 Hair Perfector to strengthen and repair all hair types. So I put my hair into sections because this type of stuff does require sections, I feel. And then I applied the bond building treatment. It's very watery. It's a spray. It feels like you're applying water to your hair, but it has a scent. And I can't tell you what this smells like. I can't tell you what this smells like, but it reminds me of a salon. It's giving that professional salon scent, not in the best way. It really is a strong scent. Like it's not pretty. It's not pretty. It's not giving chemical, but it's not giving flowers and roses and teddy bears either. It's strong. It's strong. I was like, ooh, like it did hit me. It hit me a little bit. And if you smelled this before, let me know if you could pinpoint what it smells like, because I can't pinpoint it. I don't know, child. So after I sprayed this on the section, I will say that my hair felt soft. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what they're doing over there, but my hair felt soft. It only has about 5 ingredients. My hair did feel soft when I applied this, almost instantly. I know that if I was to just apply straight water, my hair would not feel the way that this felt. Like, I noticed a difference. And you guys know I don't like to apply water on my hair after taking out a style because it could lead to a lot of tangles depending on how matted and tangled up or old your style was before washing, right? So I was very careful when applying this, only on the ends first, seeing how my hair reacted to it, and then going up into the more matted, tangled up roots. And my hair actually reacted really well to that product. Now, if I didn't put the number 3 Perfector on top, I would probably be like, it was cool, it was okay, I had a good experience with it. You don't have to have it, you know what I'm saying? But once I put the number 3 Hair Perfector, I was sold. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was sold. I said, okay, this is why the girlies love Olaplex. And I did a video on a treatment from them some months ago, and I had a really positive experience. And I just feel like at this point, I like Olaplex. Like, I would definitely use this. It does make your hair feel stronger. And for me, my hair also felt softer. So I went ahead and I applied the Hair Perfector right over top of that damp section. On the bottle, it tells you right away it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Use once per week. Apply to damp, towel dried hair from scalp to ends. Leave on for 10 minutes. And I did do all of those things. I rinsed everything out and went in with the shampoo and conditioner. Depending on your hair type, I definitely feel like you can detangle with these two products in your hair. You can definitely detangle. I finger detangled. I could have used a wide tooth comb. I did not, but I definitely could have. I just pulled apart and pulled out all the shed hair. I took the 10-minute they put on the containers to really work the product into my hair and remove knots, tangles, and shed hair, which was a great use of those 10 minutes. I think that it really made the rest of my wash day pretty easy, especially for a taking out an old, dry, shriveled up style that should have been taken out way before I did it. I hopped in the shower and I rinsed out number 0 and number 3, and my hair felt good. It was still dirty, obviously, don't get me wrong, because we needed to wash it, but it felt soft, the actual hair strands, and I was hyped to finally get my scalp clean, okay? Because y'all know I love a shampoo moment. I actually love to shampoo, so I was hyped to be able to do that, and I hopped in with the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So use every time you shampoo or after rinsing out the number 3 Hair Perfector. Lather, rinse. If you want some more information about what's in the products, do your Googles. This was interesting to me. So when I applied this to my hair, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it felt like a moisturizing shampoo. It does not claim to be that, and I wouldn't call it that after I actually used it completely. But my hair felt easy to manage. My hair felt smooth, and I was able to work the shampoo throughout all of my hair. It was really easy to work with to simplify it. Also, the curls was popping, like it was giving ringlets, you know? And then when I went to rinse it out, I did do a super deep shampoo because my hair was so dirty and I had buildup, like I said, from the locks. From the faux locks. If you're new here, I didn't have real locks. So I spent all this time getting my scalp clean and I rinsed it, and then I applied a little bit more just to my roots, and I scrub the roots. And first of all, my hair was clean as a whistle. And second of all, once I rinsed out the shampoo, my hair did not feel as soft and luscious as it felt with the shampoo in, which is fine. They don't claim to be a moisturizing shampoo. If you're like really big on natural hair products and you're really into, like, you know, what brands claim to be what they can do, I will call this a clarifying shampoo. My hair felt clean. Okay, so it's really easy to work with in the hair, and it definitely made my hair manageable while using it. But once I rinsed it out, my hair was parched. My hair was like, it was giving SpongeBob when he got into Sandy's house. Okay, so definitely needed to follow up with a conditioner, which is what I did, the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Now, for me, in my texture, this was my least favorite product of the day, to be honest with y'all. But I am used to thick, creamy mask type of conditioners, and I probably would have gone in with a mask if I wasn't tired and wanting to give myself a full Olaplex only wash day. And don't get me wrong, you can detangle with this, because I was able to detangle with it. I was able to do everything I usually would do. Like, it spread easy throughout my hair. My hair was manageable with it in there, and it was softening to my hair. So if I ran out of everything that I tried today, would I go and grab this conditioner again? I would not. That's just a personal preference, though. Y'all know how I get down. I just wasn't in love with it. I also did not hate it. It was okay. It's supposed to be applied obviously after shampooing and leave it on for 3 minutes and then rinse. I left this on for, I would say, about 10 to 15 minutes. I applied it very slowly. I took a shower while it was in my hair, and then I rinsed it out after. My hair was soft. My hair felt conditioned. But like I said, I'm used to those creamy, thick, heavy mask type of deep treatments. For my at-home hair care routines, I prefer a nice thickety thickums creamy mask that makes my hair feel like butter. That's my preference for my at-home treatments. I want to read what they say, and I want to tell you guys if I did feel like it gave me what they're saying it's supposed to give me, right? So it says it's supposed to restore, repair, nourish without adding excess weight, which I get, because if you have a looser texture or finer hair, a super heavy creamy product isn't what you're looking for, right? It says it eliminates damage and frizz for strong, healthy looking shiny hair using the Olaplex 3-4-5 system. So I did use 3-4-5. Did my hair look shinier? Yes. Did my hair look healthier and bouncier and just alive? Absolutely. Like, I was thoroughly impressed. Thoroughly impressed. I usually don't gravitate for the all hair type of product, okay? Actually, I want to say never. So they got me with this one and it worked for me for sure. For sure. So if you're not new here, I always like to do, Lexi, what should I spend my coins on? Now, Olaplex claims that the 3-4-5 system is what you need to be gravitating towards. I believe the zero, the spray, is like an extra oomph. So if you don't have like color damage or crazy breakage or issues with your hair, you could probably do the 3-4-5 and have a great, shiny, healthy, bouncy wash day. If you have color damage or just, I don't know, anything that requires some extra love, you might really enjoy the number 0, because I really loved how my hair felt. And some people, when they go to wash their hair, the initial pre-wash is the tough part for them. So the 0 and 3 together to prime your hair before the actual cleansing could be really helpful for you. And I do feel like my hair was in a great state for when I applied the shampoo. Now, you guys know I'm never here to encourage y'all to spend y'all money if you don't need to, okay? But if you came here for a review, I hope that you got what you came for, and I hope that you enjoyed the content, because I was having a good time in that bathroom. I felt like I was getting all the shots, all the angles, you know what I'm saying? And I was super happy to finally cleanse my hair. So video done, video lock off. I have a lot of things planned for the channel that I'm really excited about. You guys know insecure reviews are popping every week on this channel. The show is coming to an end, and I'm looking for other things to talk about, because I feel like it's brought so many of us together talking about Black women topics, relationships, life, real life stuff, especially in this age range. It's been really fun and I'm gonna miss it. So if you have any requests, like hot topics, shows, movies, whatever, beauty stuff, whatever you're looking for, because I just do it all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow. I'm getting my hair washed and trimmed, and I'm bringing the vlog camera so I can see all of that. We're getting some braids, okay, after that, and then we're going out for Christmas. We're gonna be out the country again, and I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is the year for me to do everything that I've been really afraid of. I turned 30 next year, and I've been thinking about sharing with you guys my 30 before 30 list. I'm really scratching things off and like doing all the things that I really wanted to do. This is totally random and separate from the hair review, but I wanted to talk to y'all face to face before I forgot. So if you want me to do the 30 before 30 video series and bring y'all along with me, I will do that, because I think that it's going to be a lot of fun and inspiring, because I'm inspired right now by the sheer thought of like going after all these things that I've been like procrastinating doing my whole 20s. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Follow me over on Instagram, TikTok. All of the content that I drop goes on all of those platforms. So if you're not already following me over there, everywhere is KandidKinks. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And before I go, let me know your thoughts if you are an Olaplex stan or not. If you've tried them before, if you heard about them before, would you spend $100 on a wash day? Curious before styling, because you know I this is literally a wash and go puff. Before you ask me, this is literally a wash and go puff, because that's how tired I've been and busy. So I just washed my hair, moisturized it, and we're in a puff. But tomorrow is trim day and back in some braids. My earrings are my brand for my kinks. They're linked below. And my lips is the Dose of Colors Neighbor Tang lip liner and NYX clear gloss. Okay, bye guys.